Hello, Whisper here. In today's fast-paced world, we all need a reliable and efficient way to store and access our files. Enter Google Drive, a cloud-based storage solution that has revolutionized the way we work, collaborate, and share information. With Google Drive, you can easily store all your files in one place, access them from anywhere, and collaborate with others in real time. But why should we all start using the cloud, and specifically Google Drive, in today's world? Here are a few reasons. 1. Convenience and accessibility. With Google Drive, you no longer have to worry about carrying around a physical storage device or emailing files back and forth. You can access your files from any device, anywhere in the world, as long as you have an internet connection. This means you can work on the go, from home, or even while traveling. 2. Collaboration. Collaboration is key in today's world, and Google Drive makes it easy. You can share files with others, set permissions, and collaborate in real time. This means you can work on a project with someone else, even if you're on opposite sides of the world. 3. Efficiency. With Google Drive, you can organize your files in folders and subfolders, making it easy to find what you need when you need it. You can also search for files using keywords, saving you time and effort. Plus, with automatic syncing, your files are always up to date. 4. Security. Google Drive offers robust security features to protect your files. Your files are encrypted both in transit and at rest, and you can control who has access to them. This means you can rest easy knowing your files are safe and secure. In conclusion, Google Drive is a game changer in today's world, and we should all start using it. Whether you're a student, a business owner, or just someone who wants to be more organized and efficient, Google Drive can help. So why not give it a try? Your files, and your productivity, will thank you.